What resources are most limited or limiting on handsets? Is it like memory or CPU or network? Like when you're building these apps, what do you wish you had more of? Or what's often like the trouble you run into?
I think networking is the biggest monster because you never know where the user is when he's using your app. I mean, he could be in a subway without connection or with in a country such as Brazil that don't have a great cell connection, or he can be on the fastest Wi-Fi network on the world. So it's kind of unpredictable. You have to test with the lowest bandwidth you can use, so you can be sure your app works properly. I mean, it can be slowed down because you probably need the data you're getting from the networks, but if it doesn't crash, it's a good progress.
Yeah.
Do you have any tools you would recommend for testing poor networks, or do you just try to find a bad network?
You can use the iOS from iOS 6. There's a settings option on the phone that you can turn on network limiting. On like there's an option in settings, network link conditioner. It's called, and you can simulate a lot of situations like 100% lost, 3G, edge, highlight latency, DNS, and you can also do this on your simulator. But the thing is, if you use it with the simulator, all your Mac will be slowed down as well. It
Oh,
doesn't
really?
split the connection. It's the
Uh,
whole Mac.
oh, so it actually affects the interface itself.
Yeah,
Huh.
and you can always use like proxy tools like Charles that are web proxy debuggers, so you can see all the connections that your app is making. So you can remove some calls, some requests that doesn't actually need to be called on a certain frame always. And
Okay.